Hey fragrance fam, if you haven't already started prepping your spring and summer fragrance lineup, now is the time to do it. It might still be a little chilly out there, but it's important to gear up for every season at least a couple of months in advance. That's why I'm sharing a recipe for a delightfully sudsy and creamy sugar scrub that'll soften up your skin for all of your beach vacations. And what better fragrance than to use our version of Sol de Janeiro's hit classic, Brazilian Crush. Alright guys, let's go ahead and whip it up. Having a stand mixer or a hand mixer with a whisk attachment is crucial to making whipped soaps, scrubs, and body butters. They'll help effectively whip air into your chosen ingredients so they have a light, fluffy texture that everybody loves. Start by loading your mixing bowl up with vegetable glycerin and cocamidol propylbutane. The glycerin helps to smooth the scrub out so it feels soft on the skin, and the cocobutane will boost the bubbles for a nice lather. I'm also adding in a bit of my preferred broad spectrum preservative for body care products, Optifin MIT+. This helps provide some extra protection against mold and bacteria since the scrub formula has sugar and will be used around water. And here's the fragrance. Our version of Brazilian Crush by Sol de Janeiro is a perfect complement to personal care products and candles made for summer, or really any time of year. It's just that good. Add it into the mixing bowl and finish off with some cream of tartar and a touch of orange dye or lake. The cream of tartar helps stabilize the fluff so the scrub stays light and airy. That's why it's a key ingredient in whipped desserts like meringues. So with all of those in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and turn the mixer on medium-high speed to get them all blended up until they're uniform and frothy. Pause the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed to reincorporate everything. When it looks like this, you can add in a pound of foaming bath butter base. If you're familiar with our channel, you've seen us use this base by Stevenson before to make other sudsy whipped goods. It's versatile and easy to use. Make sure it's cut into cubes before adding it into the bowl while it's on a low speed. Once you've added it all in, bump up the speed to high and watch the magic happen. Once again, we have a spatula on hand to scrape the side of the bowl before continuing to whip. When you do, check to see if there are any clumps of bath whip left in the mixture, and if so, fold them into the middle of the bowl so the whisk attachment can break them up into a smooth, marshmallowy mixture. See how pale it's gotten? If you'd like, you can add a little bit more colorant or even some plastic-free glitter to jazz it up a bit, but I think this soft orange color complements the caramel and vanilla notes within Brazilian Crush. And no sugar scrub would be complete without the sugar. Turn the speed of the mixture back down to low and add the sugar in 1 cup at a time. Scrape the bowl one last time, give it another couple of whips, and it's done. From here, it can be packaged up into wide mouth cosmetic jars, which I have right here. Piping bags and cookie scoops make this pretty easy, the latter of which I'll be using. As always, give the jar a couple taps on the table between scoops so you can get a full jar of product. And that's all there is to it. It's a lot of fun to scoop up and lather. The fine granules of the sugar provide the perfect gentle exfoliation to use on your legs and arms to prep your skin for summertime tanning. Feel free to adapt this simple formula to suit your brand and the ingredients you have on hand. There's unlimited combinations of fragrance, colors, and additives you can use to customize it to suit your personal style. If you'd like more easy bath and body formulas like this one to try at home or to incorporate into your product line, let us know. Either drop a comment down below or you can shoot us a DM on any of our socials to get in touch with us. Subscribe for more content just like this and learn more about fragrance by enrolling in Fragrance University for free at fragranceU.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Bye guys!